Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about gold. So let's get started here. This chart was made on December 2022, right? And I'm showing here my Elliott wave count. This is big wave 3 ending here. This is wave 4. Forgot to mention here. Right down. So, but this wave 5 should be going to the upside, unfolding 5 subwaves, right? So out of that, we had 1, 2, 3, ABC 4, and then we're supposed to be going to the upside for wave 5, above wave 3. Last wave 3 should be around like more or less 127 to 161 of wave 4, the extension, if you draw the fib from top to bottom. So what happened to this chart? Let's take a look one by one, step by step. This is also weekly chart I made at the same time, right? This is how weekly chart, a little bit more elaborating. Here, this one, you can see, again, monthly chart showing that this is where we end up so far in March 2024, right? So again, this is wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5 should be all the way there. My target, I was showing around like 27, something like that, so 27.66. But this immediate target, 100%, was 25, right, at the time, this intersection here. So after that, again, this chart made on June 2022, and this is weekly. This is wave count, wave 1, 2, and then subwave 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5. That would be ending wave 3, and then should be dropping for wave 4. That's what it says, right? Again, another version of monthly chart that we came very close to my target, which was, you can see here, 127 at the time, and it says 27.78. That's where we're supposed to be going for wave 5. But unfolding subwaves also, like wave 1, 2, so 3 was in the way, right? And then come 4, and then wave 5. That would be ending blue count wave 5. That would be ending wave 5 black count as well. So what happened to this chart? Again, this is a little bit more detailed charts, weekly chart made on September 2024. And you can see that this is wave 3, 4, and this wave 1, 2, and wave 3. I said we will end wave 3 somewhere here. Then we're going to drop for wave 4, and then we're going to go for wave 5. Right? So this was the idea. Recent idea was this, that we should end wave 3 somewhere here, and then we should drop for wave 4. So I made this chart when we reached to the point of wave 3, right? So we hit the area, wave 3, 127 extension and expansion, actually. So I made this chart that now the time is to drop for wave 4 from 27 after hitting 27.76. So we should be dropping for wave 4. Now, wave 4 would be of this black count, right? So this is wave 1, this is wave 2, and this subway, so these subways finishing wave 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 is ending here, and we should be going down for wave 4. In what fashion? Wave 2 and wave 4 are like corrective waves, right? And they usually come in 3 waves, just like this one. It's like A and a small b, and then C. That's kind of like a zigzag. Wave 4 usually end up like a flat correction, right? Or a regular, irregular, expanding. Well, so there's so many different types of flats. So let's see. Well, first thing first is that we're going to be dropping for wave A, then will B. B is the complicated wave, and then C, right? So it could be a flat or something else, maybe a triangle or whatever, right? But we're supposed to be dropping from ending wave 3 to wave 4, and falling into the wave 4 area. Wave 4 is complicated. So far, what happened to this chart? You can see the live chart. Let me show you. This is what happened. So exactly from 3, we drop. We drop here into this area. If you draw the fib from 2 to 3, right? So you see that we dropped for wave 4, a part of wave 4, which is wave A, at 23%. Now I made this chart new. This is more detailed chart of what is going to happen is that if we ended here as wave A, then we should be going back to wave B to the upside around 61% of this and this high on the left. That would be the area to go. And then we're going to be dropping for wave C here in finishing wave 4. That would be wave 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what happened is that let me show you this chart that wave 3. Basically, the phenomena is this: you go up wave 5 and then 3 wave corrections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? This is how it is. So 3 and 4, and we're supposed to be going wave 5, making 5 subwaves. So that's exactly what we did here. Right? 1, 2, 3, blue count, 3, 4, and 5. So wave 3 is ended. So after that, wave 4 comes. Wave 4 is like, let me show you. Wave 4 is going to be like, where the heck did it go? I had it here. Let me show you that how wave, okay, here. After finishing wave 3 here, then it should drop for wave 4 like this, A, B, C. So this one here I'm showing zigzag, but usually it is a flat correction for wave 4. And then we will go to the upside for wave 5, all the way above wave 3. So that is exactly what is happening here. And we are going to fall. We already did. Wave 4 started, as I mentioned before, in this previous chart, that we're going to be dropping. So we did. But in 3 waves, remember, right? So we might be able to go now up there and then come down here for it. Now, more detail that how it is going to happen and the calculation is that I will show you on my 4-hour chart, which is not this, this. So this is how wave 3 ended here and we dropped. This is a 4-hour chart, right? More compact chart and showing 4-hour, more detailed chart. So we drop for wave A, then we're going to be going back for wave B into this area, 61%, which is on the left. You can see that there's the area 2639. So that would be the area 61% is 2693, 8993, very close then. So that would be wave B, and then we're going to drop for wave C around 23, 22, 21, something like that. Okay, that would be the end of wave 4. Then we will go up for wave 5, just like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, Roman count, right? So something like that will come after we drop here. Then we will go to the upside later on, right? That's months after, months from now. So first thing first, if A is finished, then we're going to be going up here for wave B. Just remember that. Above 2537. So on my 500 chart box size, this is how it looks like. So we already rise like that, and this is what we are doing, right? So you see how nicely we drop, right? And coming down, I had few entries here, there, right? That's easy peasy. Let me show you. Maybe it's here. I don't know. Let's say, for example, this one, the last one is this, coming down here. So this was my entry here from 2563 to 2542, right? So, and then there are several that I didn't even record. They were small, so that's why. When the move is extended, I don't want to trade, but since it was dropping so fast and so powerfully, then I said, well, let's see. I didn't take these entries, by the way. This is my EA taking the entry anyway, right? Me not knowing. When I see that, so there's an entry here. Okay, so I have a trade, right? Money being made. I don't know. So this is the beauty about my EA that just if you know which direction the thing is going, just place that EA and make it short only, log only, whatever the direction is at the moment. And when the setup is there, the EA opens the trade, place the SL and place the TP and hit the TP to close the trade, whatever you TP you mentioned. Usually I leave my TP open and I close myself after doing my calculation and all of that. So, but yeah, SL tight SL right behind the low or the high, and open the trade open here, and SL is right behind this high. Always like that. If I open the trade here, right here, for example, this low or this low, then SL is right behind it. So very tight SL strategy, and this is what the last trade was, and that's what I said. That this is the main thing now, that we're supposed to be dropping for wave 4, and then remember that once we finish wave 4, we're gonna be going for wave 5. That will end the upper upside target once for all. Then we're gonna be dropping. So this final target, you can see my wave 5 showing is 30,000, 31, 32, somewhere like that, right? So right now the drama is unfolding as wave 4 to the downside. A is finished. We will go up for wave B, and then we're going to drop for wave C to the downside. Okay, like this count. So this is main scenario right now, and I'm following it, and I'm trading this thing. So going to the upside, I have a long going on right now. I'm sitting on break even, and let's see if I can go all the way to 26.89. All right. So let's see what happens, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so I can send as soon as I upload the video, you can get it, and you can take advantage of these setups. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. And by the way, if you're interested in learning all this mumbo jumbo, how to do it, and in anything, in any way at all, let's say indices or commodities or forex or whatsoever, whatever you can open in MT4, MT5, right? And but once you learn this Elliott wave analysis, how to do it properly, then you can literally tell any instrument that where it is, and then what would be the next step or next move, up or down, and from where. Very, very calculated. All right. Just like I said that, we're going to drop from wave 3 to wave 4, and we did that. Right. Going to the upside, I was, right from here. I don't want to show all the chart because it's going to make the video like 2 hour, 3 hour. But all these step by step, I predicted these moves, and then they unfolded just like that. All right. So this is the video about the Elliott wave, and if you want to learn one-on-one coaching, I teach everything over the Zoom personally. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and talk to you guys later.